Hey, what is up everybody? It's Josh here. Yes, we're playing a new game. Well, not new. I have to still upload a video. That's sad. I think I got my mic working. This one did failed again. Anyway, this is my kit that I have so far. It's called, my name is Josh Minecrafter, no YouTube channel. I am beautiful. Look at this. It's awesome. Anyway, let's get in the game. I'm going to leave. I can only go with friends of mine. Friends. Team battle. Let's do an aggressive man. Oh, come on. Okay, let's do a. Okay, shoot race. So maybe. I'm moving everywhere. I didn't push car. What did I do? I did something wrong. Well, let's try to win. Me? Oh, beautiful. Just go for it, people. Ah! No? What is going on? This is not fun. I was always gonna pick it up one's faster and more able to control. It's not fun anymore, it's me. I'm last. Oh, circle! And I have nothing to redeem myself. That's always fun. I'm catching up. Wait, no, not last. There's something behind me! Oh my god, this can drive! Crap! Ugh, I'm dead. You guys are lag masters. I can't control his car whatsoever, so it's like kinda, oh god, he's gaining. Right. Oh, we're in the military list, or do we have to like go in a circle? No, this is end. Not bad. Good place, not bad. Including the fact that you shoot me. Yeah, I gotta get him. Anyways, he tricked me. He tricked me! No, I'm not going. I want to pick a better. Oh, my hair. My hair's a mess. See, exactly. I'm not in, like, my normal, like, you know, beautiful clothes. Just in my fashion. Anyway. If you like this video today, please leave a subscribe and a like. Likes for good luck. We're gonna try the 3 a.m. series. Like 3 o'clock a.m. We're gonna be looking into like I'm gonna start doing Roblox because I'm a max. I have 200 friends already. But anyway, we'll see you later. Bye.